Hi everyone, welcome back to KinTech, the channel that brings you all the cool tech stuff. So basically in this video, I'll be showing you guys all the computer keyboard shortcuts that you should know as an IT specialist or an IT student. So before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates like the one you are watching now. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Yes, computer keyboard shortcuts. So shortcut keys provides an easier and quicker method of navigating and executing commands in the computer software. Shortcut keys are performed using Alt on IBM compatible computers, commands on Apple computers, Alt or Shift with another key. The de facto standard for listing a shortcut is the listing, the modifier key, plus symbol, and another key. In other words, Ctrl plus L tells you to press and hold Ctrl and press S simultaneously. So let's not waste time and let's go and see the shortcut keys that you should know by now. So these are the basics PC shortcuts here. So as you can see on the right here, these are the shortcut keys, and then here is the description. Let's scroll down and see the shortcut keys here and the description. So first we have Alt plus F, that's for file menu option in the current program. That's the description. And then Alt plus C, open edit option in the current program. Then we have Alt plus Tab, switch between open programs. Then F1 is basically that's applying all window program. That when you press F1, it will take you to help. So when you need help, when you have issue with your computer, you just press F1 and then you go and find the information that you are looking for, especially help information. And then we have F2, which is rename a selected file. Then F5, refresh the current program window. Then Ctrl plus D, bookmark the current page in most internet browser. Then we have Ctrl plus N, create a new or blank document in some software, or open a new tab in most internet browser. Ctrl plus O, we have the description is open a file in the current software. Ctrl plus A, select all text. Ctrl plus B, change the text to bold or remove bold. Ctrl plus I, change the text to italic or remove italic. Ctrl U, change selected text to underline or remove underline. That's very simple. When you want to underline any text, then you can press Ctrl plus U. Or the other thing is when you go to the website and when you want to see the basic coding or the HTML, what type of coding that they use, you can go to any website and then you press Ctrl U, and then you're gonna see the HTML, the coding that they apply, and that's when you go to website. But there's another function, or the description of it. Description of it is you can use to underline or remove underline a text. And then we have Ctrl plus F, open the find window for the current document, web page or window. Ctrl S, basically to save current document. And then we have Ctrl X, current selected item. Shift plus then delete. That's cut the selected item. Oh no, sorry. Shift plus del key. That's cut the selected item. Then we have Ctrl plus C, copy the selected item. I think this is very common and everyone should know that. And then Ctrl ins, copy the selected item. Ctrl V, description. Shift plus insert. So apply paste. And Y, send. Done something. And then use to find out about. Yes, you have done something. Learn something new here. I love you all. Bye for now.